So if you've ever tried to add moringa to your routine and given up because the powder tastes like grass clippings, this might be a more realistic way to actually stick with it. So let's go over the Nature's Craft Extra Strength Moringa Gummies. I'm gonna go over what's actually in these, then go over the ingredient breakdown, and talk about who these are for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your supplements. So this is a daily green superfood supplement in gummy form. You get 60 gummies in the bottle, which is a 30-day supply at 2 gummies per day. And this is strawberry flavored, and it is vegan, non-GMO, and made in a GMP certified facility. And it's from Nature's Craft, and it's marketed for women, but really anyone can take it. Okay, so have a look at the bottle here. Nice label. There we can see the ingredients on the back here, and we'll cover this in a minute here. You can see all the seals, non-GMO, gluten-free, all of that on the side here. And then we have the suggested use, so 2 gummies per day. And we'll have a look at the gummies themselves. So right away you get that strawberry smell. Have a look at the gummies, your standard light gummy. Okay, so let's do a taste test here. So that is really good. It's not a super strong strawberry flavor. It's also not super sweet, which is nice. The texture is exactly like a gummy, just like any gummy that you would have. Although the outside is a little bit, I don't want to say powdery, it's just not quite as shiny and chewy, I guess, as you would just have like an actual like candy gummy. But it tastes great. This texture is still good. It has that, nice chew to it. So taste test, I would give this an 8.2 out of 10. Okay, so let's go over some of the ingredients in this thing. So we have the moringa leaf extract. So this is the 10-to-1 moringa extract. It's loaded with antioxidants and has traditionally been used to support energy, immune function, and overall wellness. And then we have quercetin, and this is naturally present in the moringa extract. So this is a plant antioxidant that's also found in onions, apples, and berries. So it supports a healthy inflammation response, basically helps your body deal, with everyday stress on the system. Then we have chlorogenic acid. This is naturally present in moringa. So the same antioxidant family you'll find in green coffee beans. So this supports healthy metabolism and energy balance, which is part of why people often report feeling a steadier energy when they take moringa consistently. Then we have vitamin C and calcium, both naturally occurring in moringa leaf. You're getting a small natural amount from the plant, not a mega dose. And just an added bonus, on top of the antioxidants, supports immune function and bone health. This is non-GMO, meaning it's not going to contain genetically modified ingredients. It's also made in a GMP certified facility, so it's made in a place that follows strict manufacturing standards for consistency and cleanliness. And of course, what's great about this is you don't have to take powder. You just can take a nice, tasty gummy instead of having some pill or taking some powder that tastes terrible. And that's really one of the hardest parts of starting or just taking supplements, is just having to be consistent. And with gummies, it makes it so much easier. Okay, so what I like about these, the taste is great. If you tried moringa powder before, you know how harsh it is. And getting that superfood that tastes like candy is a real plus here. And the 10-to-1 extract is also a nice touch. You're getting more concentrated moringa than you would from a basic gummy. One thing that could be improved, these do contain added sugar, around 3 grams per serving, and the serving size is 2 gummies, so it's not a ton of sugar. But if you're actively cutting sugar out or watching glucose, this is something to keep in mind, and capsules would be a better fit here. It's also worth noting that these aren't going to give you a dramatic, obvious effect. The benefits with moringa are subtle and gradual, which is honestly not native to moringa. That's with any supplement. You need to be consistent with them. You need to continually take them, or else you're just not going to see the effects of it. So who is this for? So this is really for anyone who wants the benefits of a green superfood but has bounced off powders and capsules. If you bought moringa before, tasted it, and abandoned the tub in the back of the cabinet, the gummy format solves that problem. And it's a good fit for women looking for a simple addition to a daily wellness routine, supporting skin, energy, overall vitality with something that's easy to remember and feels more like a treat than a chore. And again, this is also for men as well, not just women. It's just marketed more towards women. And if you're looking for the highest possible clinical dose of moringa, or you need a strictly sugar-free supplement, this is not for you. The capsule formats would suit those goals better. So in my opinion, these are definitely worth checking out if you're someone who wants moringa in the morning routine, but you don't want to stick with the powder. The ease of use is the whole value here, and the 10-to-1 extract is really delivering on the moringa.